Gonna do a compressor change out on this one under warranty. You can hear the valves on this one too. Okay. Let me get cracking on this. I gotta recover the charge and then remove the old compressor. Okay, gonna hook up for the recovery. I got the electrical off, got this off. And we'll recover the charge and then get this out of there. Okay, we got 82 degree ambient up here. We're getting hooked up for our recovery. Bring it down like this. So I can sweat these stubs out here and right here, and I'll get this one too. Okay, I got the dryer out. We know where this is gone. Oops. This is gonna hit the road ski. I'll bend up a new one. Where this is going. Okay, I got the condensing unit out from there, and that's where we're at. Okay, I got my ends taped up, and my favorite thing, going down. Well, I had to do it. Okay, so I'm going to bend up a new condensate heat loop. It's roughly 3 inches coming up. The loop's about 10.5 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 40 inches, 46, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, roughly 52 inches. So let's cut a piece and see if we get close. Okay, so I cut a piece off here. Get a little ream rod. Okay, where's my pencil? Boop. Get our little buddy out of there. And then we want to go up 3 inches on that guy too. Just kind of eyeball it. Yeah, it's not the same bend, so I'm just gonna. Oh, not bad. Okay. Okay, so I got the condenser washed out. I bent up my new condensate tube. It's a lot easier with this out of there to weld in the new liquid line dryer. Just to go ahead and do it up out here. Okay, so the liquid line dryer's in there. Weld her on up. Boop, done. Okay. Now that's all welded in, it's a lot easier right there. We'll take and put our condensing unit back up on top. Nitrogenizing my unit. See if I can get it up to 3. Let's see here. Okay, new compressor's in. I gotta wire it up still. I'll do that while the vacuum's on it. New condensate loops in. Okay. So it's been a while, we're holding good. I'm gonna go ahead and get it on the vacuum pump. And then hook up. All vacuumed up there. I'm gonna weigh my charge in. And we'll see how this thing works. Okay, I added some gas here. I got an 18-pound suction, 19.6 degree evaporator, almost 20 degree evaporator, 8.86 amps. I'm good for 9.6 amps. I'm down to 49 degrees. 50 degrees, 49, it's dropping. There it goes. she is, all in. Sounds a lot better than the old one. Got my date on there, 8/24/15. She's looking good. Sounds a lot better. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching.